Welcome guys, in this channel, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to export AutoCAD file to PDF and how to import PDF to AutoCAD. So first I'm going to show you how to export the AutoCAD file to PDF. So I have this file. You can Control P or you can type in here and the command plot. And from here select the DWG to PDF. Okay, and then from here I'm going to select the paper. It's depend to your file or project which size of paper you want to select. So I'm going to select A4 horizontal. So from here check this box to make sure it should be in the center, and also you can check this box. And from here I'm going to select window because I'm going to select by myself, so where should be in the PDF. Okay, like this. And now I'm going to select from here. It should be show in PDF black and white, not colorful. So select this option. Yes, and let's see in the preview before print. So it looks like good, everything is fine. So let's close this. And then press OK. And now I'm going to save on desktop. And you can change the name and OK. And then it's automatically it will open PDF file, and this is how we export AutoCAD file to PDF. And now I'm going to show you how to change PDF to AutoCAD file. Okay, so click to insert and then click to PDF import, and then I have this PDF file, so I'm going to select this one and then open. So there is some setting if you want to change, so I'm not going to change. So let's OK. Here we go. This is how to import the PDF file to AutoCAD. So now you can start your drawing. You can add or remove any line if you want to. In today's video I'm going to show you how to scale drawing without changing the dimension. Okay, I have these two drawing, and now I'm going to show you how to change the drawing and scale that the dimension not change. Okay, go to scale, select the object and then enter. So let's specify this spine and then give scale. I'm going to make double. Okay, and now as you can see the dimension is changed. And then go to annotation and then dimension style, and you have to create one new style. Okay, so let's rename this dimension style, and then go to the primary unit in here and change the scale factor from here. Okay, so I change it to double. So if you divided 1 to 2, it's equal to 0.5. So you have to change in here like this, and then from here select the current dimension style, and then select the dimension and go find the dimension from here and apply it. Okay, as you can see now the dimension is changed. This is the real dimension for this object. Okay, also you can do that if you change your object to make it smaller. So as you can see, let's make this smaller. So specify this spine and let's type 0.5, make it half like that. Okay, as you can see now the dimension again change. So again go to the dimension style and create new dimension style in here. So let's rename 0.5 scale, and then go to the primary unit, and from here again change the scale factor. As you know, if you change divide 1 to 0.5, it will become 2. Okay, so type in here 2, then okay, again select this dimension style as set current, and then close. Again select the dimension and find the dimension style from here and apply for that. Okay, here you go. This is how to scale drawing without changing the dimension. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a block library in AutoCAD. Okay, I have some lighting sample in here, so I need to create one sample for the light. So maybe you need to create a different sample, so and then you can use this samples on the next project, so it will save your time. Okay, for example, now I want to create one sample for the light because I don't have a symbol for the light. So the light symbol is maybe like this. Okay, like this, and now I'm going to create this as a library, so I can use this for the next project. So let's select insert, create block, and then write block. Okay, and from here click to pick pine, and then select anywhere you want, and then select object and select all of this symbol. Okay, and enter, and then save your library where you want. So I'm going to save and desktop. So let's create one new folder and rename this okay, so let's and save, and now okay. Okay, as you can see, you see a flash like that. So now you imagine that you work on the next project, so you don't have this. So how to open this? Go to insert, and then again to insert, and click to more option, and now go to browse and find your library. Okay, and this the library that I created, and then okay. So now click anywhere you want. Okay, this is how to create a block library in AutoCAD. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.